Hi again.
Ah!
We were just at the park.
Camera person. The camera person.
We were just at the park and we got. So we were at the park and we got caught.
Ah! Be quiet. Be quiet. It's raining. Look. You see, you're all soaked. Mommy's soaked. And look, it's raining. Like it's raining.
Show them the clouds.
And whoa! And it's raining. And thanks for watching, Gail.
Oh,
Gail was
see Gail?
No, she just. Man. Guys, it's raining so hard. Look, it's raining harder. Bye, guys. There you
We
go.
gotta get inside. It's still going. We have to get inside. Oh my gosh.
Can I go out? Can I go out there?
Hi, Gail.
Can I go out
Look
there?
at the storm.
Can I go out there?
No. Oh my gosh.
Can I go out there for a little bit?
Yeah, run out there and run back. That wasn't a run out there. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it's raining so hard. Hey everybody! We were at the park and we got caught in the rain. And Grace wanted to stay.
Yeah. Look! Look, guys. This is Mommy. Here you go. Watch me. Watch
Oh.
me. Watch me, guys.
Okay. Real fast. Real fast. Ah!
That was a run. Oh my gosh! Look at this! I'm gonna do another.
Whoa, that was a brave one.
Hey, it's dripping!
Ah.
I'm gonna go again. Watch me. Oh, it's raining! It's raining so hard! I'm gonna go again. Watch me.
Ah!
Was that quick?
It was.
Was that really?
Ah!
I'm gonna go again.
Wow, you're going farther and farther. Whoa, Grace!
That was so freaky! Look at my hair!
Uh-oh, Grace, there's our patio. All your toys are getting wet.
Yeah, that was so... Look at my hair!
Okay, let's walk
I
inside.
want to
Cause
see my hair.
Okay, here. Walk us inside because I bet Cody's really scared.
Oh my gosh! Here you go, Mom.
Let me get you. We're walking inside.
Let's go check mail. Let's check mail.
Our little Cody doggy always gets scared when it rains. So we're gonna check mail.
Yeah. Can I be camera now? Can I be in
Here,
camera now?
show outside.
Guys, this is outside. Do you hear? Look. What?
Oh,
Yes.
wait, I think it came back on.
What?
I think it came back on. Hi, everybody.
Okay.
We're going back to get to
Cody. A lot of gales. Why is there a lot of gales? It's me. Look at my hair. What? And then give it back to me. And do you hear that barking? It's our puppies. Cody, it's okay. Whoa. And guys, look at the rain. Look at the rain. Okay, guys. Bye. Let's say bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Hang it up.
Bye. Thanks for watching.